And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Matt Holliner.
6:43 this morning, and finally a little bit of variety in the Texas weather. We actually have a little bit of green showing up. It's just been so hot and dry and sunny for so long, but that has changed. There are more clouds across the state today. There is a cold front that is in the state. It has actually made it. This time of year, it's tough to get cold fronts into Texas, but it's happening now. The problem is, because it's tough to get cold fronts, it's even tougher to get them down here in the valley. And this thing is slowing down. Notice how it's already stalled out in the southeast, and I do think that's going to continue. It may make it a little bit farther south to around San Antonio or so, and then it's going to stall out. But even though the cold front technically isn't going to get here, it's going to be like a cold front's coming through, because tomorrow is going to be cooler, mainly because what is happening is the jet stream's dipping a little bit farther south and pushing this ridge of high pressure off to the west. It's starting to slide west, but it's not gone yet. Today is still going to be very hot. The cold front doesn't win the battle today. The ridge wins today. And you can kind of think of it as the cold front winning the battle for tomorrow, because we will be cooler for tomorrow. But today, just as hot, if not a little bit hotter than yesterday. 9 a.m., for the most part, mostly clear skies, because a lot of the clouds we're seeing are pretty wispy upper level clouds. There'll be a few patches of low level clouds. I do think we might see a gradual increase in cloud cover through the day. Definitely more clouds today than yesterday, but it's not going to help. There are not going to be enough clouds to slow down the warm up. I think the average heat index in the valley is going to be 110 degrees this afternoon. Yeah, it is going to be rough out there. Even by the early evening hours, it'll be partly to mostly cloudy, but still no green showing up, still no rain. Any rain is going to stay to the north. However, things start to change tomorrow. I do think tomorrow morning we're still dry, still partly cloudy skies. But check out tomorrow afternoon. Now, this particular model is showing the green down in Mexico, but I wouldn't rule out the possibility. There are a couple other models that are hinting at a few showers popping up in the valley. Now, we're talking about a few. Most of us are going to miss out, but I think a few might get lucky. And the heat index tomorrow, a cool 104. How about that? Normally, we wouldn't say 104 is a cool day, but compared to today, yeah, it will be better. And then eventually, by the evening hours tomorrow, it will be back to mostly clear skies. So today, again, with periods of mostly sunny skies, periods of partly cloudy skies, I guess averaging, we'll call it partly cloudy, but it's not going to help. It's still going to be very hot, 104. We're going to tie some records in the valley. I think we're going to break some record highs in the valley. We did it yesterday, and it's going to happen again today. The heat index is going to be around 110 degrees, and it's not going to be quite as breezy as yesterday. Just kind of a seasonable breeze for this time of year, 10 to 15 miles per hour. If you're going out to Padre, boy, that is the place to be today. But even at South Padre Island, I think it's going to make it to 94. That is above normal for the island. Usually it's tough to get over 90 degrees, but today it's going to happen. We made it to 93 yesterday. I think it'll be 94 today. Now, because it's not going to be as breezy today, again, there's going to still be a breeze, but not as breezy, I do think it'll be safe to get in the waters. The rip current risk is very low, and boating conditions are going to be a little bit better today. Just moderate chop on the bay, not as choppy as yesterday, so it'll be a safe day to do some boating. But I think a lot of people will choose getting in the water over doing the boating. Tonight, we're going to cool down to around 79, partly cloudy skies, staying dry, but just a warm, humid night with winds around 5 miles per hour. This 7-day forecast is better. 104 today, but then 97 tomorrow, mainly because the winds are going to be more out of the east tomorrow versus the south. And that will do a lot to keep temperatures a little bit cooler. Even a few showers are possible. I think we're dry on Thursday, back to mostly sunny skies, starting to warm up again, but we don't go back into the triple digits. Notice that we stay in the upper 90s. Bring the rain chance back, though, for Friday and Saturday. I do think the sea breeze strengthens a little bit. It looks like it goes away for Sunday and Monday, but I still think we're going to have partly cloudy skies. I still think the upper 90s versus the triple digits. Again, some places in the upper valley will hit the triple digits when we have average highs around 99. But the bottom line is it is going to be cooler after today.